Say good afternoon. So today we have something pretty cool going on.
I play pretty good going on.
We sure do.
Oh, I feel so good.
So I've been doing some networking and
Oh my gosh, there's so much going.
talking to some tree folks.
Tree folks.
And I've been mentioning I've been wanting a stump grinder for a while. Yeah, stump grinder. And come across this fella, and real nice fella. He says, you know what? I got this old stump grinder. Maybe you can use it for a little while. Borrow it, see how it does for you. Make a little money maybe. And so rather than spending thousands of dollars, we'll have the opportunity for this stump grinder. So it actually hooks up to the back of the tractor. Let's go show them this stump grinder. And there is the stump grinder. Hooks to the back of the tractor there. It sure does. And a little old, but it looks like it was hand built. Really good condition, hopefully. And I've never used one before, but I'm gonna try to figure it out and see if we can't get it working. So this is a day in the life of being self-employed and trying to teach my son some things. See y'all. Alright everyone, it's running. Everything's hooked up, working. You can see it in the background. Let's go try to grind some stumps.